Let's consider answer of this integral as capital I. Now, if we can find the value of capital I, then it will be the final answer. I equal to 0 to pi over 2 integral root sin x over root sin x plus root cos x value we can get as equation number 1. 0 to a integral fx value is equal to 0 to a integral fa minus x. Using this equation, we can rewrite capital I value as 0 to pi over 2 integral. Instead of x variable, we can substitute upper limit minus x. In here, pi over 2 minus x. Sin pi over 2 minus theta equal to cos theta. Cos pi over 2 minus theta equal to sin theta. So, in here, we can write instead of sin pi over 2 minus x, cos x. Instead of cos pi over 2 minus x, sin x. Now we have equation number 2. We can add both equation number 1 and equation number 2. Then result I plus I in the left hand side equal to integral root sin x over root sin x plus root cos x plus integral root cos x over root sin x plus root cos x in the right hand side. I plus I value equal to 2i. In the right hand side, we can consider a common integral sign. Then within bracket root sin x over root sin x plus root cos x plus root cos x over root sin x plus root cos x. Now we can consider a common denominator in the right hand side. It will be root sin x over root cos x. Numerator value also root sin x plus root cos x. So we can cancel out numerator value and denominator value and get the result 1. Integral value of 1 equal to x. Finally, we need to substitute upper limit and lower limit. Upper limit pi over 2 minus lower limit 0. Now we have 2i equal to pi over 2. Then we can substitute I value as pi over 4.